Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to explain very important problems in the chapter multiple and submultiple angles. See the problem. Prove that cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7 is equal to 1 by 8. Here, in this problem, 2 pi by 7, 4 pi by 7, 8 pi by 7, which are in GP. We use this method in case of cos of angles which are in GP. Let us take the LHS part. Let C is equal to cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7, and take S is equal to sin 2 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7, sin 8 pi by 7. Consider S into C. That is sin 2 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7, sin 8 pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7. That equal to, we take sin 2 pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7 in one bracket, sin 2 pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, and sin 4 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7 take into one bracket, sin 4 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7. Take sin 8 pi by 7 into cos 8 pi by 7 into one bracket, sin 8 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7. Here, in each bracket, multiplying and dividing by 2, we get sin 2 pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7 whole by 2 into 2 sin 4 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7 whole by 2 into 2 sin 8 pi by 7 cos 8 pi by 7 whole divided by 2. Here we know that 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Apply this formula, we get, we know 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Here in the first bracket, 2 sin 2 pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7, which is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into, here theta is 2 pi by 7 whole divided by 2. In the second bracket, which is also in sin 2 theta form, that is sin 2 into, here theta is 4 pi by 7 whole divided by 2. In the third bracket, sin 2 theta, here theta is 8 pi by 7 whole divided by 2. That is equal to, sin 2 into 2 pi by 7 is sin 4 pi by 7 into sin 8 pi by 7 into sin 16 pi by 7 whole divided by, here the denominator is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. That equal to, here Sine 16 pi by 7. We convert sine 16 pi by 7 into sine 2 pi by 7. For this, we can write like this: sine 4 pi by 7, sine 8 pi by 7 into sine, we can write 16 pi by 7 as like this: 14 pi plus 2 pi by 7 whole divided by 8. That is equal to, here we can write 1 by 8 into sine 4 pi by 7 into sine 8 pi by 7 into sine 14 pi plus 2 pi by 7. Here dividing by 7 we get 14 pi by 7, that is 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7. That is equal to 1 by 8 sine 4 pi by 7 sine 8 pi by 7 into, here sine 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7, which is in the form of sine 2 pi plus theta, that is sine theta. Here sine 2 pi by 7, sine 2 pi by 7. We know that the sine of these angles, sine 2 pi by 7, sine 4 pi by 7, sine 8 pi by 7, we treat it as S. Here 1 by 8 into, we can write this value is 8. This value is S. Here left hand side is S into C. S into C is equal to, right hand side is 1 by 8 into S. Here SS cancel, C is equal to 1 by 8. We know that C is cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7. Now substituting we get cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7. 8 pi by 7 is equal to 1 by 8. By use this method only in case of cos angles which are in GP. See the next problem. If A is not an integral multiple of pi, prove that cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A is equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A, and hence deduce that cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, cos 16 pi by 15 is equal to 1 by 16. Here in the first result, the angles A, 2A, 4A, 8A, which are in GP. According to this problem, let us take C is equal to cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A, and take S is equal to sin A, sin 2A, sin 4A, sin 8A. Let us consider S into C. S into C, that is sin A, sin 2A, sin 4A, sin 8A into C. C is cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A, cos 8A. That is equal to, take sin A cos A into one bracket, that is sin A into cos A. Sin 2A cos 2A into another bracket, sin 2A cos 2A. In the same manner, sin 4A cos 4A, sin 8A cos 8A. Now multiply and divide by 2 in each bracket, we get 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A by 2 into 2 sin 2A cos 2A by 2 into 2 sin 4A cos 4A whole divided by 2 into 2 sin 8A cos 8A whole by 2 whole divided by 2. Here we know that the formula for sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Here in the first bracket 2 sin A cos A, we know that 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. That equal to 2 sin A cos A by 2. That is sin 2A by 2. And in second bracket, which is in the form of 2 sin A cos A, apply this formula, we get sin 2 into 2A whole divided by 2 into sin 2 into 4A by 2 into sin 2 into 8A whole divided by 2. That equal to sin 2A by 2 into sin 4A by 2 into sin 8A by 2 into sin 16A by 2. That is equal to sin 2A, sin 4A, sin 8A, sin 16A whole divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16. Here multiply and divide with sin A. Sin A, sin 2A, sin 4A, sin 8A into sin 16A whole divided by 16 into sin A. Here we multiply and divide with sin A. Here we know that S is sin A, sin 2A, sin 4A, sin 8A. Here we can substitute sin A, sin 2A, sin 4A, sin 8A by S into sin 16A by 16 sin A. 16 sin A. Here the LHS is S into C. This implies S into C is equal to S into sin 16A by 16 sin A. 16 sin A. Both sides S get cancelled. Here C is equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A. We know that C is cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A. Therefore, cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A is equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A. Next we have to prove the second part of the problem. Cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, cos 16 pi by 15 is equal to 1 by 16. For this we can substitute A equal to 2 pi by 15 in the proved result. Put A is equal to 2 pi by 15. A equal to 2 pi by 15. We get cos 2 pi by 15 cos 2A. 2 into 2 pi by 15 is 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15 cos 16 pi by 15 is equal to, here RHS is sin 16a by 16 sin a, put a equal to 2 pi by 15, here RHS is sin 16a, that is 16 into 2 pi by 15, that is 32 pi by 15 all divided by 16 sin a, that is 16 sin 2 pi by 15. Here in the numerator, sin 32 by 15, we convert this into sin 2 pi by 15. For this we can write sin 30 pi plus 2 pi by 15 all divided by 16 sin 2 pi by 15, that is sin 30 pi by 15 is 2 pi plus 2 pi by 15, 2 pi by 15 all divided by 16 sin 2 pi by 15, 16 sin 2 pi by 15. Here we know that sin 2 pi plus theta is sin theta, that is sin 2 pi by 15 by 16 sin 2 pi by 15. Here 2 pi by sin 2 pi by 15 get cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16. See the next problem. If a is not an integral multiple of pi by 2, prove that first bit is tan a plus cot a equal to 2 cosecant 2a, and second one is cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot 2a. First we have to prove the first part of the problem. Here LHS is tan a plus cot a, tan a plus cot a, that is equal to tan a plus, here cot a is 1 by tan a, take LCM we get tan a is LCM, tan square a plus 1. Here multiplying and dividing by 2, 2 into 1 plus tan square a. Here tan square a plus 1 is nothing but 1 plus tan square a by 2 tan a. 2 tan a. We know that the formula for sin 2a is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. Sin 2a in terms of tan a is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Here 1 by sin 2a is equal to 1 plus tan square a by 2 tan a. By 2 tan a. Here 1 plus tan square a by 2 tan a, it is in the form of 1 by sin 2a, that is 2 into, apply this formula, we get 1 by sin 2a, that equal to 2 into 1 by sin 2a is cosecant 2a, cosecant 2a, that is RHS. Next we have to prove the second part of the problem, cot a minus tan a equal to 2 cot 2a. Let us take LHS. Here LHS is cot a minus tan a. We can write cot a as 1 by tan a minus tan a. Take LCM, we get here tan A is LCM 1 minus tan square A. Multiply and divide by 2, we get 2 into 1 minus tan square A by 2 tan A. 2 tan A. We know that the formula for tan 2A. Tan 2A is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Here 1 by tan 2A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 tan A. 2 tan A. Here in this problem it is in the form 1 minus tan square A by 2 tan A, that is 1 by tan 2A. Here 2 into 1 by tan 2A, that equal to 2 into 1 by tan 2A is cot 2A, that is RHS.